Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, as you can see, this is my refrigerator and it's pretty dirty, as you can see. So today I've decided to clean my fridge with you guys. Sorry, don't judge me because it's a little bit dirty. It's very dirty actually, but I'm about to take care of this fridge right now and clean it very well. So the last time I cleaned my fridge was like in December, and yeah, since December I haven't cleaned this fridge, and there is a lot of dirty thing, and also there is stuff that we don't really need in this fridge, and I'm gonna get rid of everything so you can see what it looks like now, and you guys gonna see me clean and you guys gonna see the result. And I don't even know what happened over there. Something spilled, but I don't know, but I'm gonna take care of it right now. So I took this glass off. So guys, I tried to take this out, but I couldn't. It was giving me too much trouble, so I'm just gonna take everything that is. So guys, as you guys can see, I took everything out of the fridge, and then wow, it's very dirty. Like I said, I haven't cleaned it since December, and then it needs to be cleaned because look at this. Wow. So I wanted to take this out, but for some reason it was giving me so much trouble, so I didn't. But y'all can see how dirty it is, and then here it's less dirty because we barely use this. So I'm using this blue towel just to clean here, and before you can see how dirty it is. So guys, this is the liquid that I'm gonna use to spray in the fridge, and I put water, soap, and vinegar, white vinegar here. It's time to scrub it with this yellow sponge. Guys, let me show you how clean it is now. Look at this. Look how clean it is. Remember, there was this dirty thing, and then now it's no more there because I took care of it, and you can see how clean it look. And I remember here it was super dirty and I was having trouble to clean it, but you see it's super clean now. And this one wasn't that dirty, but y'all can see now the side also is clean. Look at this. Clean, clean, clean. Everything look clean. So now I'm just gonna put everything back. as you can see, I'm still in the kitchen and I am done cleaning the fridge. I'm sorry I look a mess because I am cleaning. It's a cleaning day today. So now that I am done with the fridge, I am gonna do the kitchen cabinet because it look messy right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how messy it look. Cabinet look like, as you can see, it's a little bit messy. It's not dirty, but just a little bit messy, and I am just gonna take care of this cabinet, and I'm gonna put everything where it belong. And as you guys can see, some of my stuff are almost over and those are not supposed to be here, so I'm just gonna take care of it now. This is the second one where I usually keep my rice, sugar, and some spaghetti. Well, it's a little bit dirty. So guys, as you can see, I took everything out, and then y'all can see it's a little bit dirty. I didn't think that it was dirty, but yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it, and y'all can see up here. So guys, as you can see, this is everything y'all can see, and I am gonna put it back soon after cleaning the cabinet. So guys, I use this chair to reach the second floor because it's too high for me, and I am very short. I am only 5'2". I'm done cleaning, and I'm just gonna show you. Ta-da! As you can see, it looked very clean. Remember, it was messy out here, but I put everything where they belong, and I cleaned it very well, as you guys can see. The second one, ta-da, was super dirty here, and then I took care of it, and I got all these from Amazon, guys. If you need it, you can go and get it. It's very useful. I love it. So I also got these on Amazon too, so in case you're interested in, I got them from Amazon. They're really useful, I'm telling you guys. I know I look a mess right now. I've been working since the morning, and I'm a little bit tired. So guys, as you can see, I cleaned my fridge. It's very clean. My fridge is very clean right now, and I hope like this video will motivate you to go and clean your house, fridge, and cabinet. And as you guys can see in the back, I cleaned my cabinet, I cleaned inside, I put everything where it's supposed to be. So guys, this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this channel. Have a good day. Bye.